Hey everybody, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. I'm Nathan, and today we're taking a look at the TOA HX series variable dispersion line array speaker line. Powerful and compact speakers designed for spaces where traditional single box speakers just aren't enough. If you're looking for greater power handling, longer throw distance, and flexible pattern control, you'll want to keep on watching. All right, so line array speakers reinforce sound horizontally so that each listener hears nearly identical volume and tonal quality. That's kind of done by adjusting the vertical angle of the speaker. The TOA HX series takes the concept further by offering adjustable vertical dispersion at fixed angles on these boxes. So they can be flat or they can have an angle adjustment. Thanks to its award-winning enclosure design, each HX unit comprises 4 modules. By adjusting these modules individually, you can more precisely set the vertical dispersion angle. It's like this one's kicked back a little bit, this is completely flat. This allows you to reduce reflections and reverberant spaces by not pointing at the ground or at hard walls, increase intelligibility, and focus energy on the audience, not the ceiling and not the rear wall. And that helps to improve coverage consistency throughout the entire space. This level of flexibility simply isn't available with most traditional single box point and shoot speaker products. So think of the HX series as kind of a modular building block that can adapt to your space. First, we're going to talk here with the TOA HX5. HX5 allows you to adjust dispersion angles to one of the 4 options: 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, or 60 degree. You can change those angles in just a couple of minutes by following the steps in the manual where you remove some bolts and basically fan out the speaker or adjust its angle as needed. HX5 features a total of 4 4.75-inch low frequency drivers and 12 high frequency dome tweeters. That's 1 woofer and 3 tweeters per module. 4 modules is how it's sold. And then you can, if desired, we'll get to later, add another one to do a total of 8 if preferred. This does 600 watts of continuous program power at 8 ohms, which is a ton, and is lightweight and probably propylene construction. Has speak-on and terminal screw connectors and built-in brackets for vertical or horizontal mounting. Can be mounted horizontally. And also has wall, ceiling, and stand mount hardware available as well. And they are also available in black or white and also weatherproof options also. The bigger brother for more larger and demanding spaces is the HX7. The HX7 steps up to 750 watts of continuous program power at 8 ohms and has sync drive waveguide technology, which creates a very even high frequency coverage. It also has improved high frequency output from the HX5 and also has a built-in front wave control horn built in to really throw your high frequencies exactly where you want them. Available in black or white, also some weatherproof options. And each module consists of one 5.5-inch dual low frequency driver and 1 waveguide with a 1-inch compression driver in each of these individual modules. Once again, it can be adjusted to 0 degrees flat, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, or 60 degrees with an optional 60-degree adapter kit. The 0 degree mode provides the most effective way if you're doing it ground stacked or stacking on a subwoofer or something similar to that. Both the HX5 and the HX7s can be stacked to increase power handling by adding more. You can do 8 of these bad boys if you want, and also have weather-resistant IPX4 models available out there for outdoor use. You also have matching subwoofers available for the HX5 or the HX7 as well. Enough talk, let's give them a listen. All right, first let's start with HX5. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. So very tight control of the vocal intelligibility range, but also good punchy sound from the drivers, even though they're not super big, under 5-inch in size in each individual woofer. Now, let's check out the HX7. Or maybe I should hook up the correct speaker before I start to do that. I just need to clear my head. quite a bit louder, still nice and crisp, also a much lower frequency response that goes down into some of the low lows. The HX series speakers pack a great punch in a small package and are great for gymnasiums, auditoriums, schools, houses of worship, small concert halls, places like that. If you'd like to talk more about the TOA HX5 series, variable dispersion line array speaker for your project, reach out to our team. We'll be happy to design the right system for your application, pair it with amplifiers and the rest of the hardware you need. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the description down below for product links, more details, and how to get in touch with us. If you have any questions or need help with your audio setup, drop a comment or reach out directly. And until next time, guys.